Welcome back. I am myself Pooja Egaje. Today I will be dealing with the topic of module 4th, that is My1 technology. Okay. So we will be dealing with what is My1 technology, how is the construction been done and the formwork been constructed. Now My1 technology is nothing but an aluminium formwork system that was developed by an European company. Later in 1990, the My1 Company Limited started manufacturing these formworks, hence giving the name My1 technology. Now what is its technique and what is the use of My1 technology in India? So far the technology has not been used extensively in India. The concept is popular in Gulf countries, European countries and some part of Asia. However, it is very prominent in India to realize the most ambitious government scheme, that is housing for all by 2022. Mehul Thakur, director via Homes, asserts to make housing comfortable for masses, there is need to focus on new construction technologies which can reduce construction time and cost. My1 shuttering is the solution to do this. In addition to save timing and money, the technology also uses and ensures quality and strength of building. Now, how is this technique working out? In the first step, we have setting up of the wall reinforcement steel. The wall reinforcing steel is used to give a structure to build and support the concrete until they gain half of the required strength. The aluminium formworks are casted around the steel mesh, which is factory made and directly erected on the construction site. It is not like your normal timber that is used or bamboos that is used in the shuttering work, but here actually pre-casted aluminium formworks are used. Next step is placement of aluminium formwork. Along the wall reinforcing steel, prefabricated room sized walls and floor slabs are erected. These aluminium alloy slabs are accurately made and are easy to handle. Spaces for windows, ducts, doors and other features such as staircase, facades panels and chhajjas are also integrated in this structure. The forms are joined together using the pin and wedge system, which can be dismantled quickly after the concrete structure is made. The meaning is, it's like a prefabricated wall and roof slabs with the required amount of opening. Wherever you require the opening, it can be replaced. In some of the same formwork can be used for any different kind of construction work. It is not necessarily like one type of formwork is applicable for constructing only one building. No, that formwork can be reused again and again for the lifelong. Next is pouring of concrete. Once the formwork is constructed or it is been erected, the next step will be obvious, that is pouring of the concrete. After casting the forms, high quality concrete is poured. This concrete takes the form and shape of cast, which is later removed to make way for a structure made eitherly of cement concrete supported by wall reinforcement steel. The aluminium formworks can be reused at least 250 times, resulting in minimum wastage from the construction site. The resulting structure is accurate, smooth and finished. It has high tolerance and requires no further plastering. As a result, it saves time, effort and money. Now, next aspect we will take care is about the advantages of My1 technology. The advantage of the My1 technology is, first and foremost, it reduces the construction time by almost half in comparison to conventional practices. Since it has a set of procedure to follow, it minimizes the need of skilled labor and completely eliminates labor intensive activities such as masonry and rendering. On the structural front, the technology makes the building more seismic resistant and durable. Since there are less number of joints, the building faces reduces leakages and hence require negligible maintenance. There is uniformity in Maivan construction and the walls and slabs have a smooth finish. Moreover, the technology gives the scope to take out more carpet area in comparison to conventional techniques. Along with the advantages, we also have the demerits. Some of the demerits are construction by Maivan technology does have certain demerits. The finished structure could have visible finishing lines due to small sizes of components used. After the structure is made, modifications are difficult to make, therefore making the building inflexible. The walls and slabs should also show cracks due to shrinkage. This can be prevented by either using control strips in the structure or by reducing the heat of hydration by using fly ash. It remains to seen if the technology works in the construction industry, considering indigenous technologies are promoted of late. However, if the advantages of the technology meet larger goal of housing of all, it can prove to be a boon for Indian real estate. Thank you.